And now, we wait.
It's burning. Is it supposed to burn?
Only if I did it wrong. You're not implying I did it wrong, are you?
Perish the thought. I'm just kidding. It's just my first time. Go easy on me.
Do I look like the kind of lady that goes easy?
Easy? Yes. Lady, you don't look like a lady at all.
And I never will. Let's wash that crap out, I'm thirsty.
Shit, Alex. What time is it?
Like 8 p.m. Why?
You know why.
I don't need them.
Your dad says you need them.
What the fuck does that asshole know anyway?
Come on, you know he counts them.
Fine. These don't do anything for me anyway.
I know your dad pays a lot of money for them. He just wants to feel like he's helping out, you know?
Plus, they're making me fat.
I know, I was gonna say something, but...
2 more months. 2 more months, and then I'm 18, and I get the fuck out of here.
You're coming too, right?
Well, no shit, you're coming. I need someone to carry my stuff.
Carry stuff? Shit, I thought we were gonna steal a car.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Alex, your dad just called asking... Oh my god, what would your dad say if he saw you smoking?
Well, he complains. I yell, I learned it from you! He yells, I laugh all the way back to my room, and then, when he thinks I can't see him, he lights one up secretly in his car. End scene.
I can't even, I am so disappointed. Your doctor said you're not supposed to smoke, or drink, or do any of these petty little things, or people that you do.
I'm so sorry that you disapprove of my lifestyle. Unfortunately, we can't all have the strong knees and suppressed gag reflex to be the prom queen.
You know what? Your mother was right to have you committed. And you know what else? 1 year wasn't enough to get out all the crazy, because you're probably headed straight back there, you crazy bitch.
It's always a pleasure, Chloe. Always a pleasure. Alex! Alex! No! Alex!
Hi, Uncle Paul. I found her.
You probably should have done that.
I hate that bitch.
She's your cousin, you know. She's just trying to help out or something, you know?
No. She was happy when I fucked up. She wants to see it happen again.
She's family.
No. She's blood. Your family. Shit. I gotta head home. He's probably already heard about the car. Gotta smooth that over.
Good luck with that.
Hey, Jonas.
Yeah,
2 more months.
last I checked.
Okay?
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I'm Jonas. I don't think we've actually met before. I'm Alex's friend.
I've never actually met one of her friends before. And now I know why.
I don't know how to take that. Is she here?
No, she's not. She's on a plane to Ohio.
What? Why?
I think you know the answer to that. Look, she's not normal. And I've been merciful, I've been compassionate. Little assholes like you come and fuck everything up. Well, I'm done. She's her mother's problem now, and if she can't handle her, the doctors will. So you get the hell out of here and you don't come back. Now a little asshole's doing my daughter's hair.
So fucked up, but you know, just call me when you can, okay?
Yo, dumbass! Took my phone.
Alex, holy shit, how did you, I mean...
Stop. Breathe. Listen to me. I know I said 2 months. My timetable's been moved up a little bit. Are you in?